take a look at some technology from GaN Systems. So Jim, could you tell us a little bit what we're going to see?
Yeah, we have a lot of demos here of what customers have done with GaN. Their old design was silicon, their new design with GaN. It's smaller, lighter, more efficient, and less expensive.
Great, let's take a closer look.
Okay. CES has always been a big audio show, and we're showing off some really cool audio amps with GaN. This was the original amp that we showed at CES in 2020. It's kind of a do-everything amplifier, and now we've seen a proliferation of reference designs using GaN parts. 1, 2, 3, where they're all smaller, more compact, and examples of how you can use it in marine, in motorcycles, or in your home or office. We're showing a demo this year with Mark Levinson, Daniel Hertz, and it shows really the power of what you can get out of GaN audio. In any audio system, you need to have good material, you need to have a good amplifier, and you need to have a good speaker. Daniel Hertz and Mark Levinson, kind of the Pele of audio, they have a C-Wave technology for their speakers that really has very good fidelity for the sound. They pair that with a GaN amplifier for good fidelity with the amplification, and you get a sound system that's just incredible. So this is the charger section. In the past, everybody carried around big, heavy bricks for charging their cell phones and their computers. And over the past couple of years, we've seen that the GaN charger has really taken over the marketplace. And this display right here really shows that. You can see Samsung, Philips, Harman, Dell, Razer, all coming out with GaN chargers over the last couple of years. And pretty much GaN chargers have taken over the marketplace. All right, another big marketplace for GaN is the data center. And this is a nice history lesson here of what's happened in data center power supplies. 3 years ago, here's a silicon power supply, and here's a GaN power supply. 1.5 times more power in the same box, and more efficient. So it saves money in the data center, and you get more revenue in your data center rack with more processors and more memory in that rack. Now what we're showing this year is that 3 kilowatts put in a lot smaller box, breaking the 100 watt per cubic inch barrier and really showing what the data center operators can do with GaN. We're showing power supplies from Korea, from China, from Taiwan. Really all over the world, people are adopting GaN in the data center. And CES has turned into not just a consumer show, but the biggest automotive show in the world. And GaN and automotive, that's the biggest marketplace. What we're showing here at the show is the big three: DC to DC converters, onboard chargers, and traction inverters where GaN is used. This is a very interesting piece of equipment here. This is from Vitesco, one of GaN Systems' partners, where they've taken and made one SKU, one individual unit that can do either 400 volt battery or 800 volt battery systems. It's kind of a trend that we're seeing in the marketplace. They also have chargers that do the same thing.